So he's saying there's this prema. He compares the sambhog prema, or meeting and union with Krishna, with moonshine, and now he's talking about sunshine, because Krishna is not, they're there to meet Krishna. The moon itself, the full moon, the Sharad season, the Sharad Purnima is shining and illuminating and inspiring the hearts of the lovers and illuminating the whole Rasa Leela. It's such a beautiful place. And Krishna, and they're there to join and be with Krishna. He's saying, go home, go back to your husbands, and all these things. So now they're burning. So now, where there should be union and meeting in the most intimate, beautiful, natural, romantic setting of the banks of the Yamuna, there's a block, there's an impasse, there's obstacles, there's anartha. Anartha means an unwanted thing. So their gopis are burning. So Vishnu Chakravarti explains that this separation, he says, the bliss of bhakti, first he starts off his dissertation about prema, because the whole objective of life is happiness. Everyone is looking for happiness, and there's no greater happiness than the happiness generated or the happiness experienced by loving God, Krishna Premananda. It's called Krishna Premananda, and one experiences that Premananda by doing seva. That's why we say Prem Seva. So we're not Mayavadi sannyasis called Anand, but we are relishers of Prem Sevanand. It's called Sevanand. In the Chaitanya Charitamrita, Adi Lila, chapter 5, Sri Nityananda Prabhu, who is Balaram, he expands himself into so many forms to serve Gauranga. And as Balaram, he expands in so many forms to serve Krishna. So there in that chapter it says that Nityananda, he relishes the utmost, topmost Anand by rendering service to Krishna and the Vaishnavas. So this is a keynote. It's Sevanand. The greatest bliss, the greatest joy comes not from serving Krishna, but serving the devotees.